friends! Welcome back to our animal sound adventure. Today, we're heading up into the skies to meet some amazing birds. Let's begin. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? Wow, it's an eagle! Eagle. Eagles are powerful birds with sharp eyes and strong wings. They soar high in the sky and are known for their bravery and strength. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? You got it, an owl. Owl. Owls are nighttime birds with big eyes and silent wings. They hoot at night and can turn their heads almost all the way around. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? Yes, a rooster. Rooster. Roosters wake everyone up with their loud cock-a-doodle-doo. They live on farms and take care of their hens and chicks. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? That's right, a duck. Duck. Ducks love to splash in water. They have webbed feet for swimming and say quack, quack while waddling around. Can you guess what bird makes this sound?
Hello!
Yes, a parrot. Parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can copy sounds and even talk. They live in tropical places and love fruits and seeds. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? Wow, a penguin. Penguin. Penguins are birds that can't fly, but they're great swimmers. They waddle on land and slide on their bellies across the snow. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? That's a flamingo. Flamingo. Flamingos are tall birds with long legs and bright pink feathers. They stand on one leg and eat tiny shrimp from the water. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? It's a swan. Swan. Swans are graceful birds with long necks. They glide across lakes and form heart shapes with their necks when they're in love. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? Yes, a peacock. Peacock. Peacocks are famous for their giant, colorful tails. They spread their feathers in a fan to show off and make loud calls to get attention. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? You got it! A turkey! Turkey. Turkeys are big birds with funny feathers on their necks. They make a gobble-gobble sound and are often seen on farms or in forests. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? It's a canary. Canary. Canaries are tiny birds that sing beautiful songs. People love to keep them as pets because of their cheerful chirping. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? Yes, a woodpecker. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers peck trees with their strong beaks to find bugs. You can hear them tap, tap, tap in forests. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? That's a seagull. Seagull. Seagulls fly over beaches and oceans. They squawk loudly and love to snatch snacks left behind on the sand. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? Correct? A crow. Crow. Crows are very smart birds. They remember faces, use tools, and make loud caw-caw sounds from rooftops and trees. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? That's a pigeon. Pigeon. Pigeons are found in cities all over the world. They coo softly and love eating crumbs. Some pigeons can even find their way home from far away. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? It's a toucan. Toucan. Toucans have big, colorful beaks and live in the jungle. Their beaks may look heavy, but they're actually light and perfect for picking fruit. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? It's a hummingbird. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds flap their wings super fast, faster than your eyes can see. They drink sweet nectar from flowers and love to hover like tiny helicopters. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? That's an ostrich. Ostrich. Ostriches are the biggest birds in the world, but they can't fly. Instead, they run super fast across the grasslands. Can you guess what bird makes this sound? Yes, an emu. Emu. Emus are tall birds from Australia. Like ostriches, they can't fly, but they make deep booming sounds and run across wide open spaces.